So what do we have here? What we have is the Z-OffRoad Yellow lamp replacement. It's the yellow fog lights from Z-OffRoad. Let's open it up. Don't be alarmed that the lens or the plastic cover is clear. The light bulb's yellow. I already tested it on the other side. So here's the tools you're going to need. You need a 10mm socket, flathead screwdriver, and a Phillips head screwdriver. You've got 1, 2, 3 bolts here. And one or two on the bottom. Two on the bottom, right there. So let me get those taken off and I'll get back. All right, I got the bolts taken out, opened it up. I just flipped this up under the wheel just to prop it open. This is what you're going after, is the old fog light right in there. You can see, there's not much light, but you can see that there's 2 screws, and that's all there is. Take those 2 screws out, and the light will just come right out. Let me do that, and I'll get back. All right, so I got the fog light out. Goes in this way. There's where the 2 screws were, right in there. And then you got 2 other little lips with holes in them over here for screws, but no screws go in there. They just slide into a slot, and then bolt the 2 screws on the left end, and that holds it in place. And that's all you got to do. To connect it, disconnect it, just push this little lever, and you got it open. We get the new one. The clear lens. Shouldn't take the plastic off. It's real easy to install. They go right in and it only takes a second. So I'm going to screw these in and I'll show you the end result. Make sure you test to make sure that this plug is plugged in the right way. Plug it in, turn on the lights. If they don't come on, unplug this, turn it around 180 degrees and plug it back in to the other side, and it should work. There it is, all mounted in, 2 screws in place, easy. 15-20 minute job for both to get the whole thing done, no problem. So it's bolted in, connected. All I got to do is button it up and close this flap and we'll be done. And we are done. Yellow fog lights. Both sides. Look at that. Can't wait to try them at night. Or even in the fog. That's it, guys. 15-20 minute job max. Simple. Do it. Great lights for a great price.